Ẹ káàárọ̀, Kemi Olunloyo láti Ibadan, Nigeria, March 16, 2019, 11 a.m. ló fẹ́ lù ní Ibadan. Ẹ̀yin lórí burúkú slay queen, tẹ́ ẹ máa kiri ká tẹ́ ẹ máa act fake all over the internet, especially Instagram. Ẹlẹ́mu bottle water, pure water lẹ́ mú lẹ́yìn ilé bàbá yín. Very stupid things. Ẹ̀yin reasonable people tẹ́ ẹ mú pure water, mo fẹ́ ṣe pure water challenge. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó kọjá lẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ Rich KJT nìyẹn, kẹ́ follow ẹ̀ ní Rich KJT music. Well. Pure water challenge, my friend can 10,000 naira. That's your Monday, first thing in the morning. The best pure water near New York. So far we can slay. So far we can light and sorry titi. But mula to the pure water lenu. A water gets me at Kemi Olunloyo. The best one wins 10K Monday morning. Okay? Pure water challenge, 11 a.m. Blueberry and sing. Ibadan, Nigeria.